Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol RoboChat, which is the only app that lets you build your own AI chatbot platform fusing Google and Microsoft AI into a more powerful beast than ChatGPT, all with just one click, and start earning every time when someone engages with your chatbot. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 10 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Welcome. Let me introduce you to this powerful software called RoboChat. RoboChat is world's first AI chatbot that is 16 times smarter than ChatGPT by combining Google and Microsoft AI, and is 6 times faster at writing content, crafting sales copy, designing websites, writing articles, and creating ebooks and much more. You can ask this chatbot anything and you'd get stunning real-time answers in 5 to 10 seconds. So now let me show you how this amazing chatbot works. So I'm going to log into my dashboard. You are greeted with RoboChat dashboard. So on the dashboard, you can see the welcome with your name. You can see the country where your users are. You can see the total number of users that you have. Now, the thing with RoboChat is that it allows you to launch your own AI chatbot that combines Google and Microsoft ChatGPT AI together. So you can create a powerful and amazing chatbot system. So in order to create your first chatbot, which takes less than 10 seconds, all you need to do is to come to where we have manage chatbot and click on create site. Now once you click on this, it shows you the option. What type of bot would you like to create? Do you want to create an AI chatbot or you want to create an AI team? I'll come to this later. So let's go with the create AI chatbot. So I'm going to hit the button. Now once you hit the button, you need to give your chatbot site a name. So here I'm just going to give it RoboChat. Can you see that? Then here you have two options. You can either use a subdomain, which will be your name.robochat.app, or you can decide to use your own domain. So in this demo, I'm just going to use subdomain, and then I'll type RoboChat as well. Then the next thing, you put your API key here. So we're going to show you how to get that. So once you enter the API key and you fill the details, just hit the submit button. That's all you need to do, and you can see in just one click and in less than 10 seconds your chat platform is ready. Now you can launch your RoboChat platform. So all you have to do is just to click on the link below and it takes you to your own AI platform. So here is how our chatbot looks like. You can see it looks like a Google search engine. Now this is because we fuses Google AI with ChatGPT AI so that you can have up-to-date information, unlike when you're using ChatGPT, which has limited information up until 2021. But with RoboChat you have real-time information up until 2023. So now all you need to do is just to enter your prompt here, whatever you need the AI to do for you, just put it here. Now I want it to write an ebook for me, and it's going to do that for me in less than few seconds. Also, you can use a voice command, so you can click here in case you want to use your voice to command the chatbot to write or to perform a specific task for you. Aside that, you also have multi-languages. We have over 200 languages inside RoboChat, which means you can get AI to perform a specific task in any language of your choice. So this is amazing. This is really powerful. So I'm just going to write an ebook now. It's the send button, and then the AI goes to work. As you can see, it's still writing the content for me. As you can see, the AI is writing the content for me, and if you look down below, you see an ad here. So RoboChat also allow you to make money when people engage with your chatbot, which means you can monetize your chatbot with ads, either Google ads or affiliate banners and so on and so forth, and you get paid anytime people interact with this advert. So which means you can also generate passive income from your AI platform even without selling anything. So as you can see, this is an advert on my RoboChat platform, and if a user should click on it, you can see it brings us to this website. So anytime user click on adverts inside my chatbot, I get paid as well. So this is awesome for people that want to generate passive income without selling anything. Remember, with RoboChat, you can also create all sorts of contents. You can create software, you can create ebooks and make money with it. So that's how to create and launch your own chatbot in just 10 seconds. Aside that, you can get tons of traffic to your chat platform. All you have to do is just to come to where we have get traffic, and you have access to a pool of over 300 traffic sources that you can use to drive traffic to your chatbot. Now, if you think this is amazing, what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind up. Do you know that with RoboChat you can create your own AI team? Yes, RoboChat AI team is the world's first AI that allows you to create your own AI employees or team in just 20 seconds. So you can say goodbye to all the hustles of hiring, paying salaries, and welcome to the future of business management. With AI team, you can easily create highly trained professional intelligent chatbots that are well versed in a variety of business areas. Whether you need digital marketing support, financial advice, human resources, cybersecurity, project management, and so on and so forth, AI team got you covered. So now let me show you how you can create your own AI team or AI employees in just 20 seconds. So all you need to do is just to hit this button right now. So here you enter your company name. So here I'm just going to enter Fast Plus Team. Can you see that? Then you select either you want it on the subdomain, which is our subdomain, or you want to use your own domain. So here I'm just going to use the subdomain. So I'll enter Fast Plus Team and then the API key, and then you click on Submit. That's all you need to do. And that's it. Your own AI team is ready to start working for you 24/7 round the clock without paying them a dime. So now let's launch your team now. So as you can see, this is my Fast Plus team, and you can see Chat with our AI team. We offer a team of intelligent, knowledgeable AI professionals. You can see this is a business coach, this is a search engine optimization specialist, salesperson, cybersecurity specialist. All these professional AI employees are highly trained and well versed in all business areas, so they can provide business advices and perform business tasks for you without spending a dime. They don't go on vacation, they work 24/7 round the clock for you. So let's say I want to chat with a business coach. You just click on the chat. Can you see? Welcome to my business coaching service. I specialize in search engine optimization and I'm passionate about helping businesses like yours succeed online. So then you can ask your business coach any question. How to succeed in business. Click on send. As you can see, David Wilson is typing. Can you see? This is amazing. Aside that, you can ask your AI employee any questions in any languages of your choice. Can you see? These are languages in which you can use to ask them questions. You can set your tone as well. In languages, we have over 200 languages. Also, we have different tones in which you can use to relate with your business chatbot. Also, we have the writing styles which you can use as well. You can also use voice command here, and then you can access other team members as well. You can see all the AI professionals here. So RoboChat allow you to create your own AI employees in just few seconds, so you never have to worry about paying salary or paying people to work with you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.
So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.